Hello and welcome to Keras Conversions. We can take any file format and convert it into another file format that you can use for your project. Maybe you need an SVG for your Cricut machine or even a Silhouette machine. If you need to take a PDF and make it an image, we can do that as well. You can see here some samples of files that we've converted. So we can take photographs like you see here and convert it into an SVG file or a JPEG or other file format that you need. We can also create different versions of that file. So if you want one with some detail or one with just a silhouette, we can do that. We can also convert images that you have maybe downloaded off the internet, as well as create custom logos or custom files like you can see here. To get started, you can click on Open Guide, or you can click on the conversion request. From there, you'll be prompted to enter in your email so we can contact you in case we get disconnected. And that way you can also get notices once we complete your order to your email, as well as through this guide. You can click on the buy for $10, and that's what we will charge you for your file conversions. It's a one-time fee. You'll put in your pay method, whether you're PayPal, credit card, or Venmo. Keep in mind you won't be charged until we actually complete your order. So once we close out your ticket and send you your files, it's when you'll be charged. Once you get to this section here, you'll be able to converse with us, so you can ask questions or submit the file. So we recommend using the file format for your PDFs, JPEGs, other images, zip files if you have a couple different files, but or versions of your picture. We recommend using the file even if you have an image. When you do that, you may get this message. If it's a file, go ahead and keep the full size. That'll make a better original that we can work off of. Once you do that, you'll see the images there. You'll get a notice that we'll be back to you. We will convert the file, upload the file here, and when we do that, you'll get a notification that we responded to your order and we've completed your order. And then you can download the file for your use. You can start a new question if you have a second image that you want to have converted as well. If you have any questions at any time, you can always just submit them as a message. So thanks for checking us out. And again, if you got any file image you want, just simply start a conversion request.